and welcome back to the old Dodge shop. As you can remember, last time we caught up with Spence and there was a little bit of drama. We're looking straight at the SEMA build for 2025. Not long till Vegas now, so we've really got to pull our fingers out.
Mr. Spencer, can you let me know what's just happened?
Well, I don't know how to say it without crying. Yeah. There's no dignified way of getting in and out the back of that car.
Mr. Spencer, can you tell me what's going on this morning?
It's like a car, mate. I'm really nervous and excited at the same time.
It's going to take a little while. I've got to up everything.
Yeah, no worries.
Happy birthday, Mr. Wayne. Belated.
Was it your birthday?
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, got a live. Yeah, we should have oil pressure up.
Oh, you've done that already?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have any oil pressure yet until I
Shall I crank it?
program, which I'm doing,
Oh, right.
until I can connect to the dash.
Ah, do you want me to plug the dash in?
The timing light ready?
Timing light. Yeah, I've got that ready, yeah. Oh, I don't need to look at the monitor, do I? You're doing
Get
that.
that ready and get someone.
Timing light. Need 4mm Allen key.
What's the Allen key for?
Just the cam sensor, just in case I need to turn it.
So you don't know what's the timings out I adjusted on the laptop.
Oh, right.
That's it.
Oh.
So when you're ready, you can crank it.
Right, tell me when.
Is everything tight with the crank sensor?
Everything's tight with the crank sensor, yeah.
Button in the middle.
Yeah, underneath. That's it.
Ready?
Should we crank it?
Yeah, how much gap do you have on the sensor?
I have got about 2 or 3 mil, 2 mil.
What the word?
It's close.
Okay, it might be a little bit too much, but we'll see.
Yeah.
We normally run them about 1 mil.
Okay.
But just leave it for now. Just crank it and we'll see if we get an RPM signal.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nah,
No signal?
no RPM.
Right. So I need to move that a little bit closer, yeah? Alex, got the big adjustable spanner there with the white handle.
Oh, was it in the drawer?
Right, in relation to the car, Mr. Spence, how's the car going?
Not well. It will be fine.
Right behind you, mate.
Yeah, I can. Right. What one shall I put to where?
Can I ask a non-stupid question?
Nothing stupid, mate.
Apart from me.
Do you have fire extinguisher?
No. Shall I go grab it now?
Yes, please. I can do this actually. You're there. Dan's cameraman, Dan.
Cameraman down always.
Yeah, just make sure you've got your fire extinguisher ready, Dan.
Yes, sir.
Good work.
We've got to turn the key on, man.
Let me out it, because if anything goes.
If we shout off, just turn the ignition off.
It's going to be more like if there's a fire, it's going to be this under next door on this room.
Just leave the ignition as it is.
Yeah.
And as if we say off, just turn it straight off.
Yeah.
Get back button.
Throw a banner at the back of your head.
You ready, Dan? I think we're ready for us to be. Right. Tell us when. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Got it, Mike. Not a very nice thing. It is a little bit. I've got the leads going the right way.
Fucking don't press it up.
One sec. Yeah. Yeah, go on then, Mike. Oh! That was a lot better.
I think we may have an issue with the angle of the cam sensor.
Okay.
Disable start.
And again, Mike. Oh, we've got a lot of oil. It f***ing fired, now.
I'll turn the ignition off.
Mate, the seal's popped out on the oil filter at the top.
Hang on,
Yeah, it's a bucket, please.
Yeah.
We think the oil filter was knocked when we were out with it.
Should we top her off a bit? Have we got more oil?
That'll be alright with it. Yeah, right, we're going to put the ignition back on. Are you guys good so we fire it up again, or?
Yeah, you can start it if you want to start it.
Yeah.
Hey, Spence,
Yeah.
if you get it started, don't rip it hard.
No, I won't.
100 RPM silver back to it.
Okay.
Let me warm up, you
I mean, it does say on the dash, let me warm up, so I should have listened. Oh,
You don't suppose that oil filter?
mate, that was loose. That filter was loose, unfortunately. Right. Go on then, Mike.
Nah, she's gone. Yeah, that seal's blown out again.
What the f going on here?
Give me some brake cleaner.
Yeah.
Right, I'm
Way
gonna
too much.
Yeah, the fuel pump's running at the moment.
I think that's the wrong filter starter in, mate.
I think it's the wrong
It's building so much pressure instantly, it's blown the O-ring out the side.
Right, guys, I've listened to the feedback. Unfortunately, I keep forgetting to come back to things, but we will come back after this. Mr. Rob,
Yes,
what are we doing today?
we are taking the engine out of this bay window to find out where all of the massive amounts of oil are coming from. It's running lovely, leaking like a sieve.
It is a van, Dan. Nice. It's a 72, imported from the States as a project. It was originally a tin top when it arrived. Then we fitted the customer's old Stormobile roof off of a donor van that they had. Converted it from left to the customer. Did some, like the Tina added some missing panels. Got the interior trim. Converted their interior as out of an old van there for us to fit a left-hand drive, right-hand sliding door van. As you notice, the steering wheel and the sliding door are on the same side, which is fairly unusual. It's a cool van. Pretty ratty, bashed about in place.
So what is this fancy bit of kit you're putting on?
This is a bell housing off the bay window. We separated, which means we can use it as a starter, so we can run this engine up on the floor. Hopefully see where it's leaching from. You think you find it? Here we are now double checking.
So after discovering a couple of seals had been worn out, we do our final checks and replace a few little bits and bobs where it needs it. And as the client requested, we're going to give the engine a quick little tune up as well as part of the deal.
That's the top key from about then.
So now we put away our engine back into where it belongs, in the back of the van. Now time to load it up, ready for collection. Job done. Righto, Mr. Alex, what are you up to?
I am trying to flush out the old oil from this motor because it's too thick, too heavy. Getting way too much oil pressure. It's rushing up to its limit at like 145 psi or whatever it is. But it doesn't all want to come out, so I'm running an air line through one of our oil cooler feed lines to try and blow it all back to the sun during it.
Nice.
It's working just incredibly slowly, and I've got cramp in my hand, so I'm rather annoying. But you know, it's working. Slowly but surely.
So that's not the only problem. Unfortunately, our parts aren't even going to turn up. So after some discussion, we've realised we have to make a decision. Our parts just simply aren't going to turn up in time this week. So we better come up with a game plan.
I reckon we focus on paint this week.
Got the rusty paint and the greens and like that done. You can have the engine for a day or two if you want, and then I can start clear coat. Once I start clear coating, really, I want it to be just clear coat up.
So we've all agreed on our plan of action. It's going to go straight to paint, and whatever happens, happens. Let's get it prepped.
Guns.
And while that's being done, we do like a bit of multitasking in the meantime. So what are you doing there, Mr. Alex?
So using a low strength thread lock on this alternator pulley nut, because you want to be able to remove it. Obviously it's a low strength, so it's removable. It's not like, you know, a stronger thread lock. It just seems to have a habit of backing out, and it's not even been run up yet, and it seems to keep appearing loose. So yeah, low strength thread lock, help keep it seated, keep that thread locked, but it's not, that's not 70. It's not permanent. You can break it away should you need to, just crack it off and you're good to go.
I forgot I left a microphone on you, Mr. Alex.
I've been chatting a lot of mate, don't you worry about that. Tempura prawns.
Just trying to might be to find it easier, don't I?
Hey Siri, why do my smell like vegetables? Get money. Fill yourself with coffee and feel the power. Sup? Orange shirt. Just what I wanted to happen.
Right guys, it's ready to rip off that band-aid. Let's find out exactly what happened.
Mr. Spencer, can you let me know what's just happened?
Well, don't know how to say it without crying. Our boat has been moved forward a week for the split deal.
What's up? What's the 14th? 3 days away.
Luckily we're nearly there. We've only got a few little bits to do, like 3 coats of clear, get it running, test drive it, bleed the brakes, finish the suspension, harnesses, finish interior, detailing, hubcap clearance, hubcaps. Yeah, not much.
Yeah, not much. No, just a few bits.
5 minutes. I'm gonna get some hits there.
Start over it. There you go. I don't know where I put the spray mask. There it is.
So to keep the build on track, Alex has had to work through the night, but it's a new day today and a brand new challenge as well as a familiar face arrives.
Oh,
But feel free to let
oh
you.
my God.
Next time on the Old Dub Shop, we get Ricky James's thoughts on the car.
So cool.
Absolutely.
So cool. And the paintwork is mental.
Alex thinks about his health and safety.
I need the protection.
Rob polishes it in the corner. Mike reminds us why he's magic. Spencer also gets a visitor. And with the deadline of SEMA looming, and the list getting longer and longer every time, I'll just keep filming for you guys. So if you've enjoyed this episode, why not give it a like or a subscribe? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.